Hey, what's going on, everyone? What if I told you that Apple stock may be due for a big crash? We're going to show you all the 2 weekly chart in the market for Apple to see if that's going to be the case. If not, hey, it doesn't matter to us because guess what? We play both sides of the market. We play when the market goes down, and we also play when the market goes up in the stock market. Take a look at this. I did a price prediction in Apple real quick right here on October the 25th, and I was looking for the price to go up. Pretty good call, right? Take a look. Right here, the day after Apple released its earnings, the market came all the way up here to our price target, ultimate price target, and gave us that 4.75%. Since that time, price in Apple has not gone higher. And people try to tell you that you cannot time the market, that you cannot know when to get in, when to get out. They just want you to buy at any given price. Well, here's evidence that you can time the market because since October the 28th, Apple stock has not been trading above $156.73. Proof right there. All right, so let's cut this out. I really wanted to show you all the 2 weekly chart in Apple, and this is where I'm getting the concern that Apple is still weak. All right, so you guys can tell over the last 2 weeks the price in Apple attempted to break my resistance area, right, which is around $155. Now look at where the price closed though. It did not successfully trade above this $155 area. That's one clue that the price in Apple is weak. Now, it may not be weak to the point of a crash because, like I said, I've said this plenty of times on the channel that many people have Apple in their portfolios, in their 401ks, in their pension funds. Hedge funds are trading this. So it's going to take a whole lot for Apple to crash. But it doesn't negate that Apple is not a sell. It doesn't mean that Apple is not going to go down though. This 2 weekly price bar is telling me that price in Apple is still weak. Now, how weak is it? That is the question. How low could we see the price in Apple go? Because the market in Apple over the last 6 weeks has been unable to trade above 155. Keep that in mind because it's going to play a very important role as to how low the market in Apple can truly go. Now you guys can see it. Okay, I am going to show you where the buyers are trying to maintain Apple's price. They're trying to hold it here. This is where the buyers in the market in Apple are trying to hold price. Okay, and they did it again already on the last completed weekly price bar. So I know that buyers are still here. They're coming in around $135. Apple on the 5-day. Okay, so you guys can pretty much tell on a daily basis where the buyers are coming into the market in Apple. But when you see this from a longer perspective, this is where I'm giving you all the idea whether or not Apple is going to continue to trend higher or go lower. And right now, it does look as if the price in Apple is going to trend down. Now, I will tell you this too. This upcoming trading week, which equates to 6 days and 6 hours, I'm here to tell you this right now before next week, that if this price bar that the arrow is pointing up to looks the way that it looks right now, we are going to go down. That is going to be my price prediction. I just want everyone to be prepared for it because I know everyone on YouTube who creates these videos wants you to buy on every dip. And I'm telling you right now that this dip is not finished in Apple. This is what the price chart is revealing to us. Look at this. Even here on the three months chart, look at the last 3 months. We have already seen price in Apple get rejected at 155. Now we got a month and 26 days left, so anything can go. But this is just an indication of what to expect. Okay, so real quick, what I'm going to do now is I am going to play some weakness into the market in Apple. Okay, so let me show you what I'm working with. Let me show you what I got. Okay. Now, the one thing that could keep the price in Apple from going substantially lower, I have already identified right here. Okay, so this is going to be one of my price targets, $134, because I realize that, and I want you all to see that too. So if we continue day in and day out, see buyers coming in and propping up the price in Apple right here, then we need to take the profit there and leave and play the buy side. This is how you know when to get in and get out. So that's my first price target right here in Apple. My second one it's going to be here. So we got first price target 134. Second one is going to be around 130, which is around 6% movement to the downside. Okay, 6%. Now, that's pretty much where I'm looking for the market to go in Apple. We can see it run all the way down to 120, which is around 13%. But as of right now, if I were to put that on a percentage chance, I would say that's probably like 15% chance right now for us to see the market in Apple run down to 120. So I'm going to hold it there though. Okay, I'm going to put it there, and let me extend this over to the right. Extend these lines over to the right. And we're going to go ahead and look forward to the price in Apple trending to the downside. I'm going to hold this middle line here because I want you all to see that as a reference point for Apple. Okay, then we'll bring this over to the daily time frame. And we are in place. All right. So first price target, remember, around 134. Okay. Second price target in Apple, it's around 125. I'm sorry, 130. So we have 134, 130, all the way down to 120. Okay, now give me your thoughts. Simple video. We're in position. We're expecting the price in Apple to dip, to go down, and as long as price stays below 154, that's pretty much the direction of least resistance that price is going to move. All right, so give me your thoughts. Hit the like button to the video. Also subscribe here to the channel. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.